You ever sit down to design a t-shirt and end up stuck staring at a blank screen for 30 minutes? Yeah, I've done that before, but I've found a way to speed up the process, actually come up with viral designs in just minutes. All right, so one thing that we're going to use, the tool that we're going to use right here is called Kittl, right? I'm going to have my link down below in the description, but I'm going to show you the power of this, okay? Templates curated for you. So we're over here on the home screen, right? And it's actually sharing me different templates. Now, one thing I want you guys to look at, you're seeing the likes and the popularity, like these ones have been duplicated, clicked on, and created. So you get an idea right here. These are actual people that are creating back here that are sharing like, okay, this is a good idea. This is good. I like this idea. I like it. They're clicking on it. They're liking it. And then look, at there's a ton of USA made in America, right? So there's some cool stuff back here, some really cool designs that will work really good on t-shirts, right? I create a lot of t-shirt content on this channel. And one thing I wanted to share with you is, so I did the whole process. I did the whole design already. And let me show you exactly everything I did. So I came over here to templates. I just typed in flowers. I just looked at this. Now think of right here. I typed in flowers. You can type in any keyword that you want here. Okay. Flowers, dogs, monkeys, the rain, butterflies. You're seeing some butterflies, different types of flowers. You can do whatever you want. And I was just looking for something like, okay, look at this one right here. Always be kind. And this looked like a cool one. So when you click on this, it's going to go ahead and generate the editor. Okay. And it's going to populate that actual design over here, which is really cool because now you can come over here and you can edit anything inside of here. You can change the font. You can create a actual graphic with AI or find another graphic. Maybe you don't like these flowers. You want to put different flowers in there. You can do all that. Okay. If you don't like the color, you can change the color instantly back here, which is really cool. So the whole process, let me show you everything that I just did. So spread good vibe. You can see what I did right there. Choose joy daily. Love wins always. Okay. And what I did was I downloaded the actual design. So this actual design right here, you download it, okay? And I plugged it into, so I downloaded it. The design comes up on my computer. I download it, come over here into ChatGPT, and then I said, this is the design. Give me 3 more ideas. I need a 3-word design like this. Okay, and then it populated 3 more design ideas for me, okay, which is very, very powerful. Now, I want you to keep in mind with ChatGPT and using Kittl, using those two together, I just want you to think about as ChatGPT. So you're finding the template, finding a good design idea, and then you're like, okay, let me come over here and put it over here. Now it's going to give you more ideas, right? So it's helping you create unique ideas based off of that one because you're giving it inspiration. Now, ChatGPT knows that these designs work really well, okay? And it's telling you like how it all, the design, the whole design concept and the idea behind it. This is very powerful because ChatGPT knows what people like want. They know that information. There's no gatekeeping no more. That's out of the bag. There's no, it's like giving you the best ideas possible, okay? And it's taking all that brain power, all that brain work that you have to think about to think of a design. But not only that, you can talk to it too and go back and forth. Maybe you don't like what it's giving you, okay? And you want something else. It's literally that simple and that easy for you to do. Now, let's come over here. Let's say you can click on this. You want to go ahead and download it. So you want to hit download. When you hit download, you can actually put the width, the height, and the DPI, okay? You can customize that. For this example, I'll just leave it all blank. Or if you're using Amazon merch, it's 4,500 by 5,400 with 300 DPI, right? So let's say 4,500 by, okay, 5,400. 300 dpi, boom, good to go. Download, oh, boom, you hit the remove the background. I already did right there. Hit that and bam, good to go. Okay, so you can see how fast and simple. Now you can say you're doing like a social media post or you're doing some type of mock-up. You can obviously do that too as well, which is really cool. But I just wanted to show you how fast you can create like a trending or a viral type of t-shirt design, text-based, real simple to do. I'm gonna have my link down below in the description for Kittl. If you guys want to go ahead and test that out, do so down below. You can see how fast, how cool everything works. It's really cool. Everything's user-friendly, right? If you want to see how I design if you want to see how I design a t-shirt from scratch and doing the research on Amazon and using Kittl, watch this video right here next. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.